Alright, so I'm trying to configure the controller on this electric motorcycle. I have it running, but I'm still getting an error about the Hall sensors, and it's not going forward like it's supposed to. It's going backwards. So it's working, but it's not working properly. I don't want to change the wires in the controller. I wonder if there is another way to get this to work the right way. So I guess this motor was supposed to be on the other side, with the sprocket on the other side, but it makes no fucking sense. Um, all motorcycles are this way, but that might not even be the purpose of that. Guess I'm gonna have to get a different motor. Now that I want to, they're freaking expensive. I pay about $500 for this one, and I saw another one, the QS 138 version 3, and that was about $671 delivered from a company here in California. I seen the same motor, version 1, or no, version 2, from China, and they cost more. They cost like $1,000. I don't even know, like, how could they offer something that costs more if I could get it here cheaper? I guess whoever buys them here, they buy them for large quantity, so they get a better price. Because if you just get the motor, it's about $300, but shipping is another 300, $400 from China. So it's working. Nah, I want it to be working, but it's working somehow. I'm gonna change that tire. The tire, it's hitting on the fork. Once I get too high speed, if you can tell, it's rubbing on it. It started smoking earlier. I give it some. It's gonna go pretty fast, this thing. This thing's gonna be fast. Um, I like it, but like I said, the motor. I don't want to change the polarity of the motor wires. If I do, I guess I gotta change the Hall sensors. I'm gonna look into that and see what deal is, because I tried using the reverse wire, and of course, it's gonna be slower than going forward. But it makes a noise, and I don't like that noise. Let me see, there should be reverse. Here, motor is more noisier, and that's the top speed. And that it is the motor making that. But I don't know if it is because it's using something different on the controller. So I'm gonna play with this a little bit more. Uh, so far on the motor, it's supposed to be 8 poles, and the Hall angle, it's 120. I don't have a motor temperature yet. It's probably too cold still. It does have a resistor for that. Um, Man, I'm gonna mess with it and see if I could do something, because I still gotta mess with all these, like the Hall sensors and stuff. CB, AB, AC, BC, BA, CA, and see if I can change it here just with parameters and adjustments. If no, I'm gonna have to change the battery on it, and hopefully it works good. If no, it's just gonna have to wait and get a different motor. Thanks for watching.